In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from credit card to debit card. While it is possible for you to initiate this transfer from a credit card to a debit card, which essentially means depositing money or cash into your account, you will usually always be incurred some sort of charge. Doing this transfer without incurring any charges at all is extremely rare and generally not possible. Credit card companies primarily make money through interest on balance and various fees. So in this video, I'm going to teach you some methods that might help you minimize these charges or potentially avoid them. The most direct way by far to get cash from your credit card and deposit it into an account, so essentially into a debit card, is by using a cash advance. Of course, this is going to have its own set of fees and other cons, which I'm going to talk about, but it is going to be a viable option if you just really want to get this transfer done. So you can get a cash advance at an ATM if your credit card has a PIN, a bank branch, or sometimes via convenience checks mailed by your credit card issuer. Once you have the cash, simply deposit it into the debit-linked bank account, and your debit card will have access to the money from the cash advance. However, they always have the most expensive fees included, typically 3 to 5% of the amount advanced, often with a minimum fee, for example $10. This fee is charged immediately, and unlike regular credit card purchases, interest on cash advances starts accruing immediately from the transaction date. There is no grace period, and the APR for cash advances is usually higher than your regular purchase APR. So you should try to avoid this unless you need it immediately. The other option would be a balance transfer card. So you can apply for a balance transfer card, and usually these will have a set period where they will have 0% fees included. So as you can see from this one, from American Express, they have a $0 into annual fee for the first year, and then they will have a set amount. So if they have some form of money transfer or balance transfer feature, you will be able to request funds to be sent directly to your bank account. And like I said before, these are usually going to be promotional offers. So you can use this period to make the transfers, and afterwards you will have to always be checking for fees and other considerations. Besides this, there's not much else that you can do. You can try to use peer-to-peer payment services or payment apps like Cash App and PayPal, Venmo, and so on. These services will allow you to transfer your money using a credit card to someone else, and that person might be able to send it back using their bank account. But there is no guarantee that fees will not be included, and you need someone you trust. You rely on another person to send the money back that you transferred initially. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had on how to transfer money from credit card to debit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.